What if I told you that real respect isn't earned through words? It's earned through presence. Most people think they need to demand respect, argue for it, or prove themselves. But the truth is, powerful people don't ask for respect, they command it. Think of the most respected figures in history. They don't beg for attention. They walk, speak, and carry themselves with a quiet authority. Their presence alone is enough to make people take them seriously. This is the power of Law 34 of the 48 Laws of Power. Be royal in your own fashion. Act like a king to be treated like one. If you act like someone who deserves respect, people will treat you accordingly. Your body language, eye contact, and composure speak louder than your words ever could. Never fidget, never look unsure, and never seek validation. The moment you do, you lose power. So next time you enter a room, straighten your posture, slow your movements, and say less. Speak only when necessary, and when you do, make sure every word matters. Watch how people react differently to you. Because true respect isn't about being the loudest. It's about carrying yourself like someone worth respecting.